One of the great things about web hosts are one-click installs. If you're setting up a new Joomla site, there's nothing easier than using a one-click install. I'm going to demonstrate here on HostGator, but the same is true of DreamHost, Bluehost, whatever host you want to use. Almost all of them today have these one-click installs, and they're done through a thing called Fantastico. So we're going to do a quick install of Joomla. It's going to take less than a minute, and this is something you can do without worrying about how to set up Joomla manually, how to get your files there. It's all automatic. We're going to click on Fantastico Deluxe, and you'll see that we have a screen here that gives us what we've already got in, and then all of the one-click installs that they offer. Of course, we're going to use Joomla 1.5. One of the nice things about web hosts like HostGator, DreamHost, and others is that they generally keep their Joomla installations up to date. You'll notice, as of this recording, 1.5.15 is the installation that we're going to do, and that is, in fact, the most up-to-date installation. One of the prerequisites of using Fantastico, of course, is that you have your domain set up, ready to go, and that nothing is in the directory in which you want to place your Joomla files. So we're going to go ahead, click New Installation. I'm going to select the domain that I want it to be on. If I wanted it to be in a subdirectory, I would just put the name of the subdirectory in here. The key thing here is nothing may be in that directory. Put in a username. I always strongly suggest that you don't use the username admin. And then put in a password. Notice you want something a lot stronger than password. Since this is your main password for your site, I would suggest that you use what's called a strong password, a combination of numbers and letters in uppercase and lowercase, and then maybe even a special character or two. Something that looks like this. That's a pretty good strong password. That's even better. Now you want to make sure you write this one down, because you won't be able to retrieve it later if you don't. I'm going to put my full name in there, and I'm going to say Joomla sample site. Install the sample data? Sure. Now what this is going to do for me is it's going to create a brand new database for me and install it on this domain called midwestjoomla.com. Once I've done that, everything is done. I'm all ready to go. I can send the emails of this to myself, so I get the username and password and all the details that if I need them. So now if we come over to midwestjoomla.com, we have a brand new installation of Joomla ready to go.